In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign on HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner just stepping into the world of email marketing, this guide will help you navigate HubSpot's user-friendly interface to craft beautiful and effective email campaigns. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you're on the HubSpot homepage. Once there, look for the login option. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that and sign in using your HubSpot account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to access the email marketing features. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your hub for accessing all of the tools HubSpot has to offer. What you'll want to do next is click on the Marketing tab in the main menu. Under this tab, you'll see various options, but our focus today is on creating an email campaign. So go ahead and click on Email. Once you've made your way to the email section, look for the option that says Create Email. This is where the magic begins. Click on it and you'll be prompted to create a beautiful and personalized email that can be sent to a segment of your contacts. Don't worry if it seems daunting at first. HubSpot makes it quite simple to personalize your campaign to fit your needs. After clicking Create Email, click Next to proceed. This will take you to the template selection section. Here, HubSpot provides a variety of customizable templates. Choose one that suits your campaign's theme and messaging. It's important to select a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetics and your campaign's goals. Once you've chosen your template, click on Edit to customize your email further. This stage is where you'll add your unique content such as engaging images, compelling text, and strategic call to action buttons. Remember, the key to an effective email is not just beautiful design, but also content that resonates with your audience. With your email content ready, you'll move on to the settings section. Here you can fine-tune the nuts and bolts of your campaign, such as the sender details, subject line, and any other relevant metadata. This is crucial to ensure your email reaches your audience effectively and doesn't get lost in their spam folder. Finally, it's time to send or schedule your email campaign. Click on Send or Schedule to either send out your campaign immediately or choose a date and time for it to be sent out. This flexibility allows you to strategize your campaigns and reach your audience at optimal times. And there you have it. You've now created a personalized email campaign on HubSpot in just a few simple steps. With practice, you'll become even quicker and more efficient at using this powerful tool to reach your marketing goals. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.